So I will take it from here. So the next topic where I just want to highlight some of the global examples that we have when it comes to artificial or virtual reality, AR, metaverse. We see that this topic comes more and more, specifically when we look at our customers within the commerce space. So we have a huge amount of customers in the commerce business, and a lot of them they're starting to look into virtual reality, and some of them are using it in a very small, let's say, scope. Like we have a lot of eyewear customers where they use it, where customers can scan their face and they see the examples on their face. But we also see customers like Charlotte Tilbury, one of our customers, flagship customers in the UK. They basically went one step further and they created that virtual reality example. The interesting case, what we have seen and they have seen basically, is that they've seen like a huge increase of customers spending time within the virtual reality compared to, of course, customers within the standard commerce sites that they also have. The conversion rate was also pretty higher. So you can see the numbers that they have shared with us was that 70% increase when it comes to conversion, but also the average order value, how much they are buying on that virtual reality, was also higher than on a normal website. So if you look at the screen, this is the example. This is something that they already have today. So everything that you see, the data, and again, it's the same technology behind it, right? So the personalization, the relevance, the information that we show them, the promotions, the products, these are all personalized based on that customer who logs in within this virtual reality game. It's an active website. You can go and have a look at it. The interesting part, what they also have seen which is very important, is that you can shop with your friends. Of course, normally when people go shopping, they do that, probably females specifically, they go with their friends. You can do the same thing also in this virtual reality. So you can invite your friends, you can have visual contact with your friends, you can discuss these products where you can look at together, you can unbox products, and you can add products to the shopping cart. You can see the promotions around the descriptions, everything that you normally also have on a normal website. But the experience that they give to the customer is more immersive, and this has a big impact on that customer. And also the whole gamification part comes into play. So the gamification within this virtual reality becomes also a very important topic for them, and this has been very impactful for their business. So as an next example that I wanted to highlight, well, it's still playing, but the idea is this is more a gamification. Maybe just have a look at it. So you can go into what they call virtual world. This thing that they also have here, by the way, is virtual consultation. So if you have any question, you can get a virtual consult from someone. So you will have a real face from a store attendee that can help you with these products if that is required. So that was also a nice feature that they have added to this virtual reality. If I go to the next example that I also previously have mentioned, which was Carrefour. Carrefour, one of the things that they also do is more around social commerce or live commerce. So they have a lot of TV shows, which they call live shopping, with a lot of famous people they invite, where they will talk about specific products. So within this show, which is happening on Facebook, which is happening on Instagram, these shows are all connected to their website and to their mobile application. So within the show, they will promote products, and those products, which are then promoted products, you can basically click on the screen and it immediately takes you to the commerce website where you can see the different products. Like now, he's presenting an iPad. On the left top iPad was shown. I click on it. It immediately takes me to the mobile application. You can see the products. You can see the pricing. You can see this is a product that is sold by different vendors as a marketplace product. I can see the details of this product, and I can add it to my shopping cart, or I can add it to my shopping favorite list for later this time to buy. And in that specific show, what we call the live shopping, you will see they promote a lot of different products, which are very highly promoted products. And each of these products, again, the idea of what they have done, and which is very successful for them, is they have been able to really increase, again, the amount of sessions, and those sessions are stored also within the mobile application. You can always have a look at them afterwards, go through them and still buy those products. You can ask questions. Questions are directly answered by the panelists or by the people that are invited into the show, etc. So this is another way of what we see that customers in the region, how they're using these kind of concepts. Another one that we have in our region, they're using this technology, which is one of our partners. This is basically where we use augmented reality. And in this case specifically, let's say eyewear, we have some customers who are using this in our region. So you can face, and then you can select the different glasses, and you can basically see how that affects your face, and if you like it or not, and how does that look like based on your face shape. So this is pretty interesting, which we see that this is happening more and more already in the eyewear business. And then, of course, you can add it to your shopping cart. You can buy it, or you can just go into the store and pick it up from there. What we have seen with the eyewear companies that are using these technologies is that they have been able to basically sell more online than having really customers coming back into the store and get consultation and get the products physically and try it on. So in the eyewear business, this has been highly effective for them to be able to sell specifically eyewear online in an online way than compared to an offline. The same concept can also be with any other things like bracelets, and you can basically visualize them on your body, etc. So these technologies are available, and they can easily be used in combination with the commerce technology that you are using, and they can easily be integrated with each other. The last example, or the last example that I wanted to highlight is, and this was mentioned in the first panel discussion where we were discussing the phygital, which is basically the physical and the digital world merging together. We have specific brands that are specifically well, we have one big one in Spain where they're basically really bringing the phygital world together, the digital and the physical world together. And the concept is having in the dressing room, in the store itself, you can basically see exactly the products that you maybe have selected online. You can try those dresses immediately on yourself. So this could be used in the changing room. This could be even used at home, this technology. And the technology basically, again, augments on you the products that you have added to your shopping cart. So once you're into the store at home, it augmented reality will look at your body, and then you can select the products that you have selected within the commerce tool. So basically then by swiping, the products that you have pre-selected will be then shown on your body, and that can give you an idea if that product is something that you would like to buy online, or go into the store and try the real product out. So of course you can select different sizes, which affects, of course, the way that it is augmented on you, etc. And then basically you can also even buy it directly through that, or you can even ask support from a shopping assistant. Could be a virtual one, or if you are in the store, you can ask support from a real shopping assistant through the application, and the shopping assistant will come towards you and help you out. So these were some of the short examples of how customers are using this technology in their scape. And I know that there's some other examples that will be shown now directly on stage.